Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be Leetcoding 543 question diameter of a binary tree. Given a binary tree, you need to compute the length of the diameter of the tree. The diameter of a binary tree is the length of the longest path between any two nodes in the tree. The path may or may not pass through the root. So if we are given such a binary tree, then it should return 3. Because the path will be 4, 1, 2, 3, and it has 4 nodes, but only 3 distance between them. That's why it's returning 3. And or the path can be 5, 2, 1, 3. And again, it's like 4 nodes, but only 3 distance. So the output should be 3. So note that the path may or may not pass through the root. So just imagine like 5 has like 100 left subtree and 1,000 right subtree, and the longest path will not pass through the node, will not pass through the root, because the longest path will be like 100 like to 5, and then 1,000 to the right, right? So sometimes it will not pass through the root. So to solve this problem, first of all, if you're familiar with binary tree, you should know that we usually use recursive or recursion in the solution, because it's just really difficult to kind of solve the problem iteratively. So whenever you see a tree, you always see a recursive like solution. And in this case, we will create like a recursive helper function, sort of, called depth. Or you can call it like height. Basically, it's calculating a given node's height. So let me just code it up, and hopefully you can understand it along the way. So this is our helper function, depth node, so if the node is null, or if it's empty, so if not null, we will just return 0, because if there is not such a node, of course it's gonna be returning 0, right? There is no height, no depth whatsoever. So left depth. So left depth is the node's left subtree's height. So it will be node.left. See, we are using like a recursion, a recursive concept here, right? And the node's right depth or right height should be depth node.right. Again, we are basically using a recursive concept. So what's the node height or depth? It will be the maximum of the two, right?